In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and edit your SEO settings on your website. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, fine-tuning your SEO settings is crucial to enhancing your online presence. Understanding and optimizing these settings can help drive more traffic to your website, which in turn can lead to increased engagement and potential growth. To begin, we'll start by accessing the SEO section within your site's dashboard. You'll want to navigate to the Search Engine Optimization, or SEO area. This is where all the configuration and settings are conveniently housed, making it easier for you to manage your website's visibility on search engines. Once you're in the SEO area, scroll down until you find the Tools and Settings section. This section acts like a control center for all your SEO needs. Now, here's where you need to pay a little attention. You'll notice an option labeled Go to SEO Settings under the SEO Settings heading. When you click on this option, it will take you directly to the settings screen. This is where you can choose the type of page you want to edit. Remember, the options available to you will depend on the components that make up your website. For example, if you have integrated Wix stores into your site, you will see options related to customizing settings specifically for your product pages. After selecting the page type you want to edit, click on Edit next to the relevant SEO settings. This will open up the options for that particular page, allowing you to view and make any necessary changes. Now, let's move on to editing your SEO basics settings. The process begins in the same way as accessing your general SEO settings. Again, go to the Search Engine Optimization section of your site's dashboard and scroll down to the Tools and Settings section. Once there, click on Go to SEO Settings under the SEO Settings heading. Choose the page type that you want to edit, just as we did earlier. Once you've done that, click on Edit, this time next to Basics and Social Share. This is where you can begin customizing your SEO basics. Spending time here is important, as this step involves fine-tuning elements like your meta titles and descriptions, which are key components in how your site is displayed in search engine results. Invest some time in customizing these settings to better reflect the content and purpose of each page. An optimized meta description and title can make a noticeable difference in your website's visibility. Enhancing your SEO settings doesn't have to be daunting. With these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to polishing your site's SEO performance. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this walkthrough helps you elevate your online presence to the next level.